Welcome to Acrylic Abstract Painting, Little Treasures. I'm Andy Morris, and in this course I'll be showing you 3 ways that you can create little abstract paintings. Alright, the supplies you're going to need are your basic acrylic paints. You're going to need a red, a yellow, and a blue. Any colors you choose are fine. You can have additional colors if you like. I also, in one of the demos, I use Australian yellow green, but you don't need to run out and buy this if you don't already have it. You can make your own yellow green with blue and yellow. You're going to need some little paint brushes. You can get these at a dollar store or Hobby Lobby or someplace like that. You don't need to go to your art supply store and pay $5 a piece for them. Okay, save your money. All right, and you'll need 3 little 6x6 inch panels like this, which I build my own, and I'm including a video on how to do that. So you can build your own or you can buy them. Either way, if you build your own, they're about $2. If you buy them, they're probably about $10. What else will you need? You'll need an applicator bottle, which you probably already have, but if you don't, you can get these at a beauty supply store. Then of course you'll need a cup to hold your water and a palette to put your paint on. Oh, and some magazine pages, because you're going to be doing some collage work too. So go gather up all your supplies and meet me in the next video.